Hulk and Rachelle. What you guys doing? Look. Come on. What do I got? Come on. Get up here. So you two are 3 or 4-year-old Quakers. And this is Rachelle. And Rachelle is kind of... They like my thumb. So Rachelle's going to go down there.
That was the right
And this
path.
is...
Okay.
And this is Hulk. This is Hulk here. And Hulk and Rachelle are...
Okay, title.
like tied to the hips, but they're cute. What you doing? What you guys doing? Don't be... Yeah, Oh, now she's gonna poop. There she went. She pooped.
Rachelle.
Oh, now she's C-H-E-L.
Damn it.
She's got it again.
Omaha, N-E.
That's Pat Taylor.
Hello?
Where are you going with that, Miss Thing?
It's not Pat Taylor.
Oh. She's running away. Oh, she's gonna get Angie. She's gonna go on Angie's leg. I'm gonna laugh. She's got it. She ain't letting it go.
R-A-C-H-E-A-L.
No, R-A-C-H-E-L. Oh, now they're fighting over it. Get it, Hulk. Get it, Hulk. Oh, he got it.
Yep. R-A-C...
Get his tail, Rachelle. Go get him.
E-A.
Now he's like over there gotten it. Oh, he's got it.
That's not right.
Oh, here she comes. She's gonna go get it. She's gonna go get it. She's...
That's how you should spell it, so it's different.
Yeah, that would work.
Descriptions.
Get over here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get up here. Good boy. Now you've got the... You look funky. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Here. Well, world, this is Rachelle and Hulk. And Hulk is a little turkey that's running away. And as you can see, we'll have more video in the future. Say bye. Bye.